Hi guys, so today we're going to do a simple makeup routine that should take you about 10 to 15 minutes, especially if you have a busy schedule. The first product I like to apply is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Water Cream. It's great for moisturizing your skin and just having that great base before you apply your makeup. I like to put it around the corners of my mouth or any areas that feel extra dry. Right now I do use tretinoin, which tends to dry out my skin. I also use Mercier blurring primer. As you can see, it has completely removed my shine. I am currently using two foundation shades right now because of the summertime. So I'm using the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This foundation is very silky, very creamy, and it just feels like skin. If you want a buildable coverage, this is the foundation for you. I like to apply this using my fingers first so that I can apply and push the product into my skin, and then I will follow up using a beauty blender. The beauty blender I like to use is by Real Techniques. I really love their brushes and their blenders, and I'll spray some setting spray on the beauty blender and then just kind of dab the product into my skin further. The setting spray that I'm using is the Urban Decay setting spray. It's a great setting spray. There's so many out there. Another great one is the One Size setting spray.
From the place I see you getting down, can't help but look at you, got a crowd around you. Now you're the baddest thing I've seen tonight, so come on girl, let's put it in the fire. I've got the V12600 sitting outside of the door, so bring it on. By the way, your body's placed for, and it's a little something that I've got a craze for. Yeah, going past me, girl, what's it gonna be? Straight eyes on me. We've been talking since 2, girl, what you gonna do? Tell them what you like to me.
This is the concealer by Hourglass. I love this concealer because it's great for my blemishes. It just blends so smoothly. I love using it under my eyes as well. And I'm going to blend this concealer in with one of the best concealer brushes, which is the concealer brush by Haus Labs. This brush is amazing. I think my second favorite would be the concealer brush by Real Techniques, but this one, I think it's just the angle and the bristles. It's such a good brush.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you love me, every life you make you mine. Not only you give me love, but make me nice, nice, nice. I have to make you mine. But I love you cause I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my life. If you grab it, then I'ma spend the night. Give me that love me every day. Time I dancing with the money I go pay. For your love I go pay, yeah. You make it my decision. I feel you for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay.
Don't forget to always wait for your concealer to fully dry before you blend it in. I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference. So after I blend in my concealer, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty contour stick. This is in the color Mocha, and I just do it in between my arch where my nose and my eyes connect, and I just do it on the side of my nose. There's so many ways you can contour your nose. It just all depends on your shape and what you're going for. I like to blend this in again with my finger, and then I will go back in with either a beauty blender or a concealer brush to finish blending that in. And this is the NARS Radiant Concealer, Creamy Radiant Concealer. I love this concealer. It is so creamy and radiant as they describe it. I like to put it kind of slanted near my eyes so that it gives you a little bit of a lift. But I use this concealer on top of the Hourglass concealer because this one is brighter, and to me it just gives a brighter under eye, and I like to use it. A lot of people don't like a bright under eye, but I do. So while that's drying, I'm going to start working on my eyebrows. I'm using the Bare Minerals Mineralist eyebrow pencil. This eyebrow pencil is so good. I mean, you know when eyebrow pencils are so soft that they don't work well? This one has a very sharp tip, so to me the precision and the definition is just there. Right now I'm going through a transition with my eyebrows. I'm growing them back in, so they're a little messy right now, so just bear with me. But I do like to line my eyebrows at the top and the bottom, and then I blend it in with the brush side of the eyebrow pencil, and then I use a eyebrow brush. I think I typically use the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 3 brush to blend in my eyebrows after I'm done doing this process. This is the eyebrow gel by E.L.F. Cosmetics. I like to put a little bit of eyebrow gel on my eyebrows just to kind of shape them further and just set them. Once I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to blend in my now fully dried NARS concealer. This is the Physicians Formula Contour Palette. It is one of my favorite contour palettes. I just love the darker color. The best way to contour your face is to kind of put that darker shade a little bit above your cheekbones. I also put some all around my forehead, the top of my forehead, the sides, kind of near my eyebrows, and it just gives your face more of a definition. You can also put a little bit on the side of your face near your ear and then right on your jawline. Next, I'm going to be using the Haus Labs blush with the Real Techniques blush brush. So when you're applying your blush, you want to kind of go up if you're trying to do a look that gives your face a lift. I like to kind of apply my blush a little bit underneath my eyes, and sometimes I actually apply the blush before I even apply the concealer. This way it makes your eyes pop and also makes your face look lifted. Sometimes I like to apply multiple blushes by different brands. I applied a second blush. This one is by Charlotte Tilbury. I believe it is Cheek to Chic. Now I am just setting my face. This is the Haus Labs setting powder. I like to apply it under my eyes, around my nose, and sometimes in my T-zones, like a little bit of my forehead and my chin, in areas that I shine. And what this does, it just sets your concealer and your blush so that it can last all day long.